Okay, so we've modified the code quite extensively to try to improve the motion commands, as those were what we're receiving the most criticism on, and that needed improvement. So we did this a couple ways. Part of it was playing around with some OpenCV settings to reduce the latency of the webcam and improve how many frames we can process. We also factored the gesture system, and rather than using keeping track of individual frames, uh, we're instead keeping track of the timestamps of each frame, and then uh, smoothing the gestures over those to get better feedback. So we've added this elasticity seconds, which basically allows there to be holes inside of the between gestures. uh, so if your gesture stops detecting for a second, or in this case 100 milliseconds, that's okay. We'll still recognize it as a valid motion gesture. We've also have these other variables down here for motion history duration, which basically keeps a 2-second buffer of all of the motions that have been processed. And if within those 2 seconds it detects a gesture, it goes ahead and activates it. So with these two together, with these two things added, even though our media pipe gesture recognition isn't perfect and is spotty, we can still normally infer the correct gesture. So you can see here, I'll have my hand here, and I'll pan over to this small Roku thing. I'll try to get both in frame here. But if I grab, you can see I move to the left there. I can move back to the right. I said that backwards, right and left. And it's a lot more responsive than what it used to be. And right there you saw the gesture lagged a little bit. Um, well,